just 1 minute, I'm going to tell you the 5 steps that you need to take to get straight grade 9s at GCSE. If you have this video and you're watching it now, you have no excuses. My credentials, I got all 9s at GCSE except for those 2 A's that are the bane of my existence. But this is what you can do to get straight 9s. Step 1, where people trip up the most, is knowing what you don't know. Sorry, the drawing's over it a bit. But basically, just figure it out. Go through your practice papers and your mock exams, see what you got wrong, or just try an entire practice paper for a subject and see what you get right and you get wrong. Go through your specification, which you just find on your exam board's website. Go through your specification, red, amber, green, checklist it. All your teachers will tell you to do it, but it is so important. Okay, step 2. We have understand it. You've got a list of things that you need to know and you need to work on. There's no point in just trying to remember formulas and stuff. Try and understand everything. You don't know something in maths, it's not good enough to just know a formula. If you can't apply that in the exam, it was pointless to even remember it in the first place. Watch a YouTube video on it, figure out why you're doing what you're doing, and the same for every subject. Step 3 is memorize it. I've just said don't memorize things. Don't memorize things until you've understood them. As in, you are always aiming to understand something before you try and memorize key definitions, formulas and facts, purely because you can only get those top band answers and those top grades if you thoroughly understand something. But then again, there are some things you do just need to memorize, like definitions and dates, quotes, for example. Step 4, apply it. As in, practice papers should be taking up a good half of your time right now. You need to understand how you get the marks in the exam. You need to know how to answer those exam questions and how to do it in a timely manner. You can know all the content. If you don't know how to answer an exam question, you can still come out of that exam with like a 5. And finally, what you do is you understand how the marks are broken down. AKA, you've applied it to exam questions, sure, great. You marked them, great, cool, you got it right. Why did you get it right? What are the key phrases you see come up time and time again in the mark scheme? Your assessment objective, how do you reach them in each subject? Because if you understand this, then when you get a question you're not really confident with, for example in science, you know that if you can bang down a definition and apply some of the data, you'll get like half of the marks for it. Your aim is to understand how you answer every question, of course. But if you don't, and if you come across something you're not sure on, you can be sure you've got a good few marks. You don't need to be perfect to get a grade 9, but you need to be getting the best marks in the exam. And if you like this video, be sure to follow me because I'm posting my top GCSE tips every single day until your exams.